Today we are going to expose fraud. He fucking copyrighted Idgaf If for no fucking reason. He faked quitting YouTube. She bans 3 people over a joke. Like, no wonder why you're fucking hated, you piece of shit. You're giving me a headache from all your whining, like shut up skull. Quit YouTube and join when you don't start any drama, anything. You need your fans to help you get out of this situation, but you got yourself in this. I was a fan of you until you did this. So this is why you got leaked. This is why you're an L. Your Discord server is so bad that I cringe. Black is a massive W for starting the hate. Your videos make my head dizzy. Now I wanted you to quit YouTube. Can't believe I wasted 9 months on fraud. The worst break battle YT of all time. You told someone to kill themselves. You are a fraud, you clout chaser. You stupid can't solve maths or English. Doesn't stop from being the most laziest person. Think you're going to be no one-beat battle, but just hop into the trash. Bye guys, hope you have a good day.